Free to play, dare to try. Always explore bigger things. Be young with Huawei Y Series.
हाय, मैं हूँ उर्वा और आज मैं आपको दूंगी टिप्स ऑन हाउ टू टेक अ परफेक्ट क्लिक फ्रॉम माय फेवरेट स्मार्टफोन Huawei Mate 10 Lite. लेट्स गो. Style your look with the perfect accessory. और घर से निकलने से पहले don't forget to take a quick test selfie with your perfect mate. Do you know it has a 13 megapixel front camera with the dual lens? Isn't that amazing? Done. It's important to know how to use the sunlight so you look your best in your pictures. And you can use the beauty filter in your Huawei Mate 10 Lite to look more natural. Girls? Perfect. जब आप busy areas में हो, use an open space to have more depth in your pictures. Be spontaneous and use the wide aperture mode for a perfect look. Ready? Most of my friends' GTs happen at night and we love taking selfies. लेकिन रात की वजह से या तो selfies बहुत dark आती हैं या फिर horribly white because of the flash. लेकिन my Huawei Mate has a built-in toning flash, which is perfect for the nighttime selfies. Hi. Mate 10 Lite lets you take a perfect bouquet with its dual camera. Portrait mode on करें, bouquet effect activate करें, and let your Huawei do the rest.